Alright, we got the lower control arm here on the driver's side. So our sway bar is in the front. Grease here. In here, like that. Got an 8 assembly. We'll put some grease on these guys. Well, a lot easier than the upper one did. Hope it wasn't too easy. Anyhow. We're ready to move over to the press. Alright, we're going to get a little piece of pipe here. This fits over it. The other one fits over this side. Good look at the press here. Hold on a second. This one's a lot stronger than the upper one. The last one, I'll go push it in. Yeah, we get a little flex. We don't have to brace that off. Let me fix up a brace. So I did manage to bend this arm a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch. I had to put a bottle jack base here in the top right here and press it out about 1/4 because of spring back, and then to get it back right. So you want to put that support in between there if you press it in. Let's start with the ball joint here. So this one right here with the funny looking head goes on the front. My torque wrench. Not tightening these up, just kind of running the nuts up a little bit. Everything's still loose. I'll flip it over. This guy on. Torque that down to 25 foot-pounds. I hope. Get out here where I can hang on to it. There we go. Yep, 25. Alright, we're good. Now we can torque these other guys down. And run them up to the wrong Yeah, this one over here is 15 millimeter too. I'm just running them up till the lock washer just kind of flattens out a smidgen. And then we'll get the torque wrench after. That one good. And Moog, that's the components that you're using. There's online you can get the instructions because they don't come in the box. Okay, done with that. Install these guys. I'm not going to tighten them up. We need this thing to be able to move a little bit. Hopefully it'll move. That's probably good enough. Alright, so the lower control arm is ready to go back on.